Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.com and today I am unboxing the Simba Hybrid Pillow. Now it's hybrid because it's got two sides to it. There's one side with OUTLAST and Down on it, and the other side has got microfiber and a jacquard cotton. And then inside the pillow itself there are nanotubes. I didn't know what a nanotube was. I think it's just made up, but I'll show you them. So let's have a look inside the box. Let's move the box out of the way. So inside the box we have the pillow and we have this little bag, and inside the bag are some instructions, but I'll explain those in a second. So if we get the pillow out, so on this blue side you can see that's the side with the Down and the OUTLAST in, and this is the side with the cotton and the microfiber. So the thing is with these pillows, they're actually adjustable, and the adjustability comes inside with this. Now it does just look like an ordinary pillow, but it's not an ordinary pillow. Oh no. Inside here, I have to be really careful getting these out, are nanotubes. And they are these tiny squidgy bits of, they're like memory foam, I think. And so what you can do is, if you don't like your pillow being too full, you can just take out some of those and put them in this little bag and keep them safe. And you can adjust the pillow to the sort of the feel and the firmness of your liking, which is pretty smart. But these pillows cost £95 each, so you'd want them to be pretty smart for that price. Now we actually have the older version of these pillows and I love them. They are the best pillows I think I've ever put my head on. So I'm going to be intrigued to try the new hybrid versions. I'm just feeling, yeah, there's a slight difference between the two sides. The downy side with the OUTLAST, it's sort of a bit firmer, and the other side with the cotton and the microfiber is a bit squishier. Now the OUTLAST is a special space engineered material that apparently helps regulate your body's temperature, so it doesn't make the pillow too hot or too cold. It makes it just right. And it's got a little OUTLAST label on it. So yeah, we are massive fans of Simba in this household. We have got one of the Simba mattresses, which is incredible. They are so comfortable. We've had ours for just over a year now and it's still going strong, which is good because they're meant to last for about 10 years. And if you want to get your own Simba mattress, I'll stick a link somewhere up there to get £75 off as a kiphakes.com reader. And I would definitely recommend them. They are expensive, much like these pillows, but they are well worth it. So really all that's left for me to do now is actually put the pillow on the bed and give it a go, but you don't want to see me sleeping, that's a bit weird. So that's it, that is all that's inside. You've got the pillow, you've got the inside of the pillow with the nanotubes, and then you've got this little bag to put your nanotubes in should you wish to. There's not much else to say. £95 is a lot for a pillow, but I would say they're just about worth it because you do spend a lot of time with your head on a pillow. And also these covers are washable as well, so you can give them a good clean in the washing machine every once in a while as well. That's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with some more vlogging fun.